Hello everyone, welcome back to Programming Platform. Today, we have something exciting for all you Java enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the world of graphics and animation as we create an animated ocean wave simulation in Java using Swing. So buckle up and let's get started. In this video, we'll be exploring a Java program that simulates ocean waves. We have a Java class named Ocean Wave Simulation, and within it, we'll delve into the structure, components, and the magic behind the waves. Don't worry if you're not familiar with every detail, we'll break it down step by step. Let's begin by understanding the main components of our code. We have a J-frame that serves as the main window with specified dimensions and properties. Inside, we define the waves using a wave class, each with its unique amplitude, frequency, phase, and speed. The updateWaves method is responsible for updating the phase of each wave, and the paint method handles the graphical representation. The waves are drawn on the screen using the drawWaves method, creating a mesmerizing ocean wave effect. Now let's dive deeper into the animation process. We use a timer to regularly update the wave phases, creating a continuous and dynamic motion. The Swing utilities invoke later ensures that our GUI runs on the event dispatch thread, preventing any concurrency issues. Feel free to tweak the parameters, such as the number of waves, amplitude, frequency, and speed, to customize your own unique ocean simulation. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it. We've successfully created an animated ocean wave simulation in Java. I encourage you to explore and experiment with the code. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Java content. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today on Programming Platform. Happy coding, and until next time.